Ganun ba? Do Reyes, ipinaglantakan ng ugali meron ang isang Kim Chiu. Isa nga ang kapamilya actor at isa sa cast ng The Alibay series na si Do Reyes na may nakakaantig na mensahe tungkol sa ugaling meron ang isang Kim Chiu. Nagbahagi nga ang actor sa kanyang Sokmed account ng mga larawan nila nakuha sa set at ayon pa kay Do. Oh, Stella, I've been sharing in interviews how unique you are among the other characters. The depth and light you bring make it sense special. It's always a joy when George visits your scenes. To Kimi, thank you for being the heart of the show, the production, and the entire team. You accommodate everyone with kindness, and I truly appreciate that. Witnessing the magic of hashtag Kimpao is a privilege, and I believe it's only just beginning. Chinita Princess. PS, I hope you don't mind me sharing your kind word. Thank you. Hashtag the Alibay. Hashtag the Alibay on Prime. Agad-agad namang sumagot si Chinita Princess. Aw, George, thank you. Thank you so much. Love the last photo. Perk. Hihihihi. Samot-saring reaksyon naman ang natanggap sa naging post na yon ni Do Reyes. Good morning, Chinita Princess. Palagi kong pinapanood ang iyong teleserye. Ang galing mo talaga dahil sa palaban na bida at hindi mang-aapi sa kontrabida. Congratulations, Team Alibay. Isang tulog na lang para sa episode 7 and 8. Do is one of Maha's buddies. It's heartwarming to see him bond with Kim and discover Kim's inner kindness. Diyan yumuyuko or nagtatago si Paulo ha. Merry Christmas, Kim Pao. I completely agree with every word you said. Kim's kindness and heart are truly inspiring. It's wonderful to see her appreciated by the team and fans alike. Thank you for your kind words for Kimi. She's the best. A blessed Thursday morning, pretty Kimi. Stay safe always. Ang gaganda ng mga lugar at bahay na pinagsushootingan dito. Sibuyan, Temple of Leia yan. Nandyan lahat ng mga mamahaling collection sa lola ni Ellen Adarna. Yan ang tinatawag ng mga turista na tao mahal ng Cebu. Good job, Anakis Kimpao. You're the best couple all the times. Love, love, love. Malakas talaga si George kay Vincent. Nakakapit kasi kay Stella. Congrats. Love you, Kimpao. Ang saya talaga ng Kimpao teams. Nakaka-proud po. Ang cute ng Kimpao. Ang sweet. Gandang hapon. Beautiful and handsome. Love you, Kimpao. I love this series. Ganun pala bagong holding hands sa haha. Love it, parents with boyfriend and BFF George. May pagkamakulit pala rin si Kim. Hehehe, idol. Always be strong and pray. God bless both. Kim is beautiful, kind-hearted, generous, talented, and full of humility. No matter how popular or rich she is. Kay Paulo, please don't break her heart because if you do, your career is over. That's a promise. Ang ganda talaga ni Kimi. Happy to see you all of you in the set. Congrats, The Alibay. Well, totoo naman ang sinabi lahat ni Do Reyes sa ugali. Meron ang isang Chinita Princess na hindi lang naman siya ang makakapagsabi noon dahil maraming kapwa artista na nakatrabaho si Kimi na iisa lang ang sinasabi. Hope you enjoyed. Please subscribe for more info.